Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on BSR. BSR stands for Bestseller Rank, and that is the ranking system that any platform that you choose to use to list your product is going to have to show the customers the product listings from the best to the worst, probably. Okay, so bestseller ranking will always be linear: number one, number two, number three, number four, going down. Okay, so I don't know what you're planning to produce through this program. It could be an ebook, a journal, a PDF showing people how to do something, a calendar, and any printable art, whatever you're planning on producing. You are going to have to match it with an appropriate outlet that is suitable for that product. I am an ebook author, and so I primarily use Amazon to sell my books, even though I do use other outlets. So today I'm going to show you the importance of BSR using the Amazon platform. So because this is my lane, I'm an ebook author, I am going to choose ebooks. So let's go there, put ebooks in the search window, and we are going to choose the number one book listed on Amazon. Now, where you're going to find the BSR for this product is you scroll down. This is on Amazon platform. It might be different on other platforms, but on Amazon, you scroll down to where it says product details. And under product details is where you will find the BSR, bestseller rank. For this book, it's number 322 in the entire Kindle store. And in the subgenres, it's number one under health, fitness, and dieting. It's number two under history, and number three under metaphysical and visionary fiction books. So that is where you will find your bestseller ranking. Or if you're doing your research for your product, that is where you will find the other producers' rankings, so that you can then extrapolate the information that you need to help guide you through what you need to do to produce a product that is going to match up to the bestsellers, because your aim should always be to be in the bestseller ranking. Okay, so that is where you will find your BSR on Amazon, and anything between 1 and 100,000 is what you should concentrate on. Not that 100,000, 100,001 is no good, but in general, anything with a BSR of 100,000 and below, because with BSR, the lower the number, the better. So anything below 100,000 shows that there is some movement on that product. There is purchases on that product. Anything above 50,000 is even better. Maybe there is movement on a weekly basis or a daily basis, or whatever the case may be. You're always aiming for number one BSR, which is difficult but not impossible, because if this person is at number 322, there is somebody occupying number one. Okay, so it's not impossible, but it's a tall order, because what I have found is that the top rankings tend to go to the big publishing names, because one, they have name recognition, two, they have a set following already, and three, they have a bigger marketing budget than I do. And so I can't compete with them, but I use their numbers to make an assessment on the size of the market. So for me, if I'm going to produce a novel, I want to look at the entire market, not just the market satisfied by the big names. I'm going to look at the market in general. So, for instance, for ebooks in general, for this particular page, there's over 100,000 books listed. Over 100,000 books listed, which tells me that there is a big market for ebooks on the Kindle store in general. So that is what you want to extrapolate from this this tutorial. That if, let's say, this said one of 20, then you know that you might produce a product that lists at number one, but there's nobody out there looking for your product, be it an ebook, a journal, a t-shirt, whatever the case may be. So this tells me that if I produce an ebook, there is a chance that I might sell, depending on the quality and the target market when I niche down. So basically, that is all we have on BSR. See you in the next video.